Hi, in this video we are going to go over prime for the flute, on the flute, and just focus on the first 10 measures. So I'm going to walk you through everything, so if there's a new concept, you'll learn it here. Okay, so our tempo is fast, 151 beats per minute, so that is pretty fast, but I think it is doable. We start at the beginning with our key signature. All B's are flat and all E's are flat. This C, in case we haven't learned it already, stands for common time, and that means the same thing as 4 beats in a measure. Whole note gets 4 beats. So this is the same as 4/4 time. We start out piano, which is soft. We gradually crescendo through this whole note to an accented fortissimo, not fortissimo, forte, quarter note, and then this type of accent is a little more separated than this type of accent. So this is a housetop accent, if that helps you remember. And it's more of a poke, gets a little more time than a staccato, but a little less time than one of these. This is more like a push, and this is a poke. So we start out with B flat to B flat. So thumb and 1 and pinky. And then at measure 3, we change to whole note F to the quarter note F. Then at measure 5, we have 2 half note E flats. Then we go to a D, B flat, up to a whole note F in measure 7. That was the end of that period. And then at measure 8, this is an A flat. So it's a G, and you add this pinky key. We are mezzo piano, so medium soft, half note A flat, then B flat, and then we crescendo into a whole note B flat and end at a forte. So I'm going to start my metronome at 151 beats per minute, and I'm going to play everything from 1, stopping at 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And that is it for the first 10 measures of prime on the flute. Feel free to go back and watch this again and try playing along on the second time. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.